Making music is cool. AI is cool too. Now they're teaming up. AI helps us make awesome music even if we've never played an instrument. It's like magic. AI is like a musical partner. It can help us write melodies. It can even help us create entire songs. The possibilities are endless. Suno is your new best friend for making music. It's an AI tool that's super easy to use. Suno helps you create amazing songs even if you're just starting out. Suno has many cool features. You can choose different styles of music. You can even add your own lyrics. Suno is like having a whole recording studio in your pocket. Ready to make your first hit song? With Suno, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, choose your favorite style of music. Do you like pop, rock, or something else? Suno has it all. Next, pick a melody that you like. Suno will give you lots of options to choose from. Listen to a few and find one that inspires you. Now it's time to add some lyrics. Write about something you love. Sing it from your heart. Suno will help you make it sound amazing. Want to make your Suno songs even better? Here are some tips. Experiment with different sounds. Don't be afraid to try new things. Listen to your creations and make changes. Your ears are your best tools. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity flow. AI is changing the way we make music. With tools like Suno, anyone can be a composer. So what are you waiting for? Start creating today.